How to save music from YouTube to your files. First things first is to pull up your web browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. So let's just head to youtube.com. Now for this, you're going to have to create an account on YouTube, or you can either connect your Google account to your YouTube channel. So first things first is click on your profile and then go to YouTube Studio. Now from here, all you have to do on the left corner of your screen, just go to audio library. That's actually below customization. Now from here, you'll be able to see plenty of audio tracks or musics that you can use. You can even download it. To download it, just simply hover your mouse to a soundtrack that you want to download, and on the right corner of the screen, just simply click on download. Now, for you to be able to add these soundtracks to your files, you can just go ahead and click on the star icon right here. For example, let's add 3. So this is actually a favorites icon. So if you click on it, it will automatically go to your files. You can also filter out the track title, the genre, the mood, artist name, duration. You can also choose to require attribution or not requiring attribution. Now, if you already added to your favorites of the tracks that you want, you'll be able to see it here under stared. So it's actually beside sound effects. And then if you wanted these audio tracks to be displayed, you'll just have to play on it and it will automatically play on YouTube. It will be displayed on your screen. So that's basically it. That's how you can add music from YouTube to your files.